This is a problem from 10 number 2, the assignment on parabolas. From page 647, I'm going to do problem 64, which is very similar to 65 and 71. So the problem states that a cable TV receiving dish is in the shape of a paraboloid of revolution. Find the location of the receiver, which is placed at the focus, if the dish is 6 feet across at its opening and 2 feet deep. So basically the question is asking where is the focus for the parabola described. And the opening across the top is 6 feet, and so then the coordinate of this point on the parabola, given that I place the vertex at the origin, which you can place the vertex wherever you want, but you may as well put it at the origin because then it makes the equation more simple. So since the whole thing is 6 feet across and the vertex is at the origin, this point is really only 3 over from the origin, and it is 2 feet up. So that can be a little tricky because you might accidentally put a 6 there, but remember the whole opening is 6, and just to this point is 3. So now we need to get the equation of the parabola, and you need to think about the fact that it's opening up and centered at the origin. So there's no shifts, and you need to remember or look up in your notes for now, but eventually remember on your own that this particular parabola would be written as x squared equals 4ay. I know it's x squared because it's opening up, and I know it's a positive coefficient here because it's opening up. X squared could either be up or down, but positive makes it open up. Alright, so I have a point x comma y, and I can just substitute those in. 3 for the x, and 2 for the y, and I get 9 equals 8a, and therefore a is equal to 9/8. So the question asks where should the receiver be placed, and it's going to be placed at the focus, which is 9/8 feet above the vertex. So you just answer the question something like that. The receiver excuse my writing. Yeah. Should be placed 9/8 feet above the vertex. Okay, not too bad. So the one that you have to do, number 65, is almost the same. A little bit of the wording is tricky. How far from the vertex should the light bulb be placed so that the rays will be reflected parallel to the axis? So if you place the light bulb at the focus, then the rays will be reflected parallel to the axis. So it's a fancy way of wording where is the focus. But otherwise the problem is very similar. You should be able to do it. Check your answer in the back of the book, make sure you get it. And then the solar oven problem, number 71, is just the same kind of problem, just a different example. So you should be able to do that one too. Good luck.